Sometimes my students ask me if we can go outside, and it's such a beautiful day here in Macomb as I'm filming this that I thought we would take it outside. Not sure where you're at when you're watching it, but anyway, I thought I would take a minute or two to talk about big picture overview of what's going on in this course. Philosophy 120 will begin with the assumption that you most likely have not had a lot of background in philosophy, so we're going to spend the first week or so talking about what philosophy is and some methods for doing philosophy. Then we're going to look at kind of a meta-ethical question of relativism versus objectivism, the nature of moral principles and moral values. And then we'll spend some time looking at three major moral theories that will guide us on how to make moral decisions. We'll look at three classical theories from John Stuart Mill, his utilitarianism, from Immanuel Kant and his approach, and Aristotle and his emphasis on happiness and virtue. From there, we will start looking at contemporary moral issues. And in this semester, this course, we are looking at the marketing of organs, whether it's proper to offer compensation for organ donation. We'll be looking at torture, if there are any situations in which it is morally permissible to torture. We'll look at religion and the relationship between morality and religion. We will look at euthanasia or physician-assisted suicide. We'll look at abortion, and finally we'll look at drugs. I guess not in that order, but those are the topics that we're going to cover. And for each topic, we will look at a little bit of background, maybe some information, statistics as it's relevant to the issue, and then we will look at a pro and a con side. Some person who's going to say this is morally permissible, and another person who might say this is morally wrong. So that's a big picture overview of what's going on in this course. I hope you enjoy it.